In this video, we're going to talk about the top 3 things to know if you've been charged with a criminal offense in Warsaw, Indiana. About me, my name's Nathan Vining. I'm a criminal defense attorney here in Indiana, and I represent people charged with misdemeanors and felonies across the state. I can answer some questions to you about your case if you've been charged in Warsaw. And the first thing, the most important thing, if you've been arrested, is to invoke the fifth. Remain silent. A lot of times people get pulled over or the officers stop them, and they talk, they tell a story, and they end up incriminating themselves. You always want to seek the advice of an attorney if you're going to talk to the cops. So if you are being investigated or you're pulled over, call your attorney and talk to them. The second thing to know if you're facing a case in Warsaw is that it's important to work with your attorney. There's a lot of things your attorney can do to help you, and there's ways you can partner together to get a better outcome. For instance, your attorney may not know all the details of your arrest. You need to meet with them, write everything down, and go over why you encountered law enforcement on the day in question. If officers did a search, how did that come about? What did the officer say to you if you were pulled over? Things like that. You need your attorney to know the details of your story. And then also you're going to want to partner with your attorney in figuring out how you can do some damage control to look better for the court and the prosecutor to help in negotiations. You want to be able to look at a case from a factual standpoint. How do you challenge things on the merits? But then also from a mitigation standpoint in terms of how you do damage control. So you want to work with your attorney if you're facing a case in Warsaw. And then third, missing court dates. You don't want to miss court. Missing court dates can make things worse. The court can issue a warrant for your arrest. They can revoke your bond and make you sit it out while the case is pending. And it also just damages you in the eyes of the court and the prosecutor. It can make negotiation harder. So know your court dates. It's important to know that in Indiana, you can go to mycase.in.gov and see everything going on in your case quickly. So check that out. So if you have questions, give me a call. My name's Nathan Vining. My number's here. It's 317-279-5668. I'm happy to talk about your case, can review your situation, and just your next steps. If you are in contact with law enforcement, remain silent, track your court dates, and then just actively participate in your case. That's the best thing you can do if you're facing a case in Warsaw. So again, my name's Nathan Vining. Give me a call. I'd be happy to help.